Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. I'm Gerald Vance, your host, and I'm proud to announce my new TV series, The Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, will premiere this Saturday, December 1st at 1 p.m. on the West Virginia channel. The West Virginia channel is the old West Virginia PBS 2. This series highlights the Appalachian people and culture by examining furniture from several generations ago. A lot of the furniture was designed and built for one specific task, and because society has changed, that task is no longer needed, so that furniture is lost. For the first episode, I highlight the merchant's desk. I found an old antique merchant's desk at Heritage Farm Museum and Village, which is in Wayne County, West Virginia. So for the first episode, I redesigned the merchant's desk, and I videoed the new merchant's desk that I built in the miller's shed so you can see how a merchant's desk would be used by a businessman. I also interviewed Audie Perry, who is the son of Mike Perry, the founder of Heritage Farm Museum and Village. And then the last part of that segment, I video how to build the merchant's desk in my shop. So if you're interested in this series, be sure and check out my website, AppalachianHeritageWoodshop.com, or follow me on Facebook, where I'll be posting highlights from each episode. Now here's a trailer from the first episode to Merchant's Desk. And remember, be proud of your Appalachian heritage. This is the original Merchant's Desk here at Heritage Farm Museum and Village. When I open it up, I'll show you why I believe it's a merchant's desk and not a schoolmaster's desk. But I do want to show you some of the construction.
All right, about how much are you looking for?
About 20 pounds.
All right, let me get my ledger out and I'll write you out.
We're here at Heritage Farm Museum and Village with Audie Perry. Audie, when did this facility start?
Well, back in the 1800s, this was two German dairy farms.
I like to start with the legs. Here you can see I've got some cherry boards that I've already dimensioned to the proper length. Kind of hustle along once I start. After the two sides are glued, I begin the assembly process. After the dye stain is dried, I spray on a clear top coat with the same HVLP spray system. Thanks for watching the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Be proud of your Appalachian heritage.